Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, when people messed with the wrong cops, you'll see how small mistakes, bad attitudes, and poor choices quickly turn routine encounters into instant karma. Caught on Dashcam. What seemed like a minor disturbance at Walmart quickly spiraled out of control. Despite being told to leave due to a store ban, the woman repeatedly ignored the order and resisted. Her uncooperative attitude ultimately led her to an unavoidable outcome.
Stop touching me! Sorry, no, you will let go of my I never back myself. Let go! Let people go! People go!
Please don't kick. Please don't kick.
Stop! No!
Stop kicking.
Let go!
Stop kicking. You also just got my mom.
She was intoxicated, screaming and hurling insults as police approached. That behavior only made the consequences more severe. Challenging the law is never a smart choice.
Put your hands behind your back. You don't hit a deputy sheriff. Sit on your butt.
No, we're gonna...
She's kicking me.
Wait,
Stop.
Shut up!
Stand up. 3, 2, 1, stand up. Get out of the road. Go stand over there. Sit down. Don't kick the deputy.
I'm a deputy! That's not okay! Release my arm! That's a citation against you! You need to step outside. It's not your house! Get outside!
This man unlawfully entered a house under construction. Not only did he refuse to leave, but he also made loud threats, causing the situation to escalate. When lawful commands were ignored and his behavior turned aggressive, police were forced to take decisive action. Within minutes, the suspect's poor choices led to him being restrained and arrested.
All you gotta do is come outside. No. Sit up. Yeah. Perfect, thank you. Let's get the stretcher, pelican box. Very small cul-de-sac. I promise you it's a small truck. That would be a strong spot. Sergeant, can you go with the front? Construction.
I can't even get in my own pool. There was a dog in the parking lot.
Police responded to reports of a woman causing a disturbance at a care facility when repeated requests for cooperation were ignored and tensions escalated. Officers had no choice but to intervene. In the end, her lack of self-control taught her a hard lesson.
Yes, you did. Sir, children don't count, sir. You are an abomination.
Police were dispatched to a hotel after an uninvited guest caused a disturbance. The woman appeared out of control, repeatedly arguing and refusing to leave despite multiple requests. As cooperation ceased and her behavior crossed the line, police stepped in. Ultimately, her resistance led to her arrest, right in the hotel lobby.
I mean, why the fuck are you doing this to me? You little not. Okay, excuse me. Ow, you fucking hit me. Ow.
You know that what you're saying right now is going to be the news, right? And my mood and what I'm saying to you right now.
The two individuals went to a police station to file a complaint, but the situation quickly spiraled out of control. Built up frustration turned into heated arguments, yelling, and refusing to leave despite repeated orders. In the end, their loss of control led them to an outcome no one wanted.
Pulling me out of my car, my house, and then harassing me and telling me to go back in my house for my car.
Out of my way. Yeah. Come on. And guess what? When we come back, don't touch my head. Don't touch my baby. Don't touch me. Okay. I'm time to make my complaint. I'm time to make my complaint. Because you're done. You're done. Good luck. Good luck. And my girl, you're done. You're done. Run on the windows. Run on the back window.
This vehicle nearly caused an accident right in front of police officers. What began as a traffic stop for dangerous driving quickly turned into arguing, resistance, and repeated defiance. That attitude turned a minor traffic violation into an unforgettable ending. The couple will have to pay the price for their actions.
You impeding traffic, so you detained. And I got a call by you. Your car had to go around you. Ain't no car got one.
A call reporting vandalism quickly brought police to the scene, where a man was standing in the middle of the road causing chaos. Simple requests were met with yelling, insults, and open defiance, and there is only one ending for resisting the law. He was swiftly restrained and arrested.
Hey, I didn't back up. Because you might try to assault me again. Turn off your camera one time, you'll do it again.
What's your last name?
Huh?
What's your last name? Oh, you can't take off your
Step out of the car. He's failing to identify me. He's been stopped. Hop out of the car.
refusing lawful commands quickly pushed a minor traffic stop out of control. The more the driver argued, the more he trapped himself in trouble. In the end, his stubbornness turned a simple traffic violation into a serious arrest.
Yes, sir, we do.
He's telling me that's a curve, and this is clearly a different street he's turning on.
5 seconds. 5, 4.
I'm gonna smash your window.
3, 2, 1. Get out of the car. Out the car.
No, stop now.
Get out of the car. That's where we can see it.
Call the mother.
Hey, what the fuck? Grab it on me.
Your daddy gonna hear about this. I ain't been there. Stood in front of the jury and everything. It's gonna be your turn now.
What's your real name? What's your last name?
What started as a traffic violation in a school zone escalated rapidly due to a series of lies. Giving a false name, making excuses, and continued resistance only worsened the situation. Ultimately, his stubborn behavior turned a simple ticket into a much higher price to pay.
I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe. You're violent. Come here. Hey, taser. Put your hands up. Right there.
The man was smoking in a park despite a clear ban. Instead of accepting a citation and leaving, he repeatedly argued, walked away, and ignored police orders. The situation escalated when he assaulted an officer, turning a minor violation into an unavoidable arrest.
She's on the roof, the discount tire.
A minor theft quickly turned into a tense chase through multiple streets. The suspect even climbed onto rooftops in an attempt to escape, but the law does not let people get away that easily. Resisting only led to a worse outcome for her.
Anything in your underwear? What?
The woman was highly agitated, speaking incoherently and making baseless accusations as police approached. She refused to cooperate, ran away, screamed and resisted despite multiple warnings. When she assaulted an officer, police were forced to use stronger measures to restrain and arrest her.
I was under arrest.
Oh no.
When confronted by police, carrying a weapon and refusing to comply caused the situation to spiral out of control. Even after being tased, the man continued advancing toward officers with a knife in hand. The law does not go easy on those who resist and attack police.
Central elder, central elder, central elder, central elder. Back up, back up. Whoa, relax, 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 relax. Back up, back up. Central elder, central elder. Get down. Shot fire, shot fire.
Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
During a traffic stop for a suspended vehicle registration, the woman repeatedly refused to cooperate. She refused to roll down the window, tried to keep the door shut, and trapped an officer's hand in the window frame, making the situation more serious. She was immediately arrested, never challenged the law.
Aggravated assault. When the officer tells you to open the door and has to put his arm in the window, then you can and then get back in the car.
As we wrap up when people missed with the wrong cops, what do you think about these situations? Were the outcomes justified, or could things have gone differently? Share your thoughts in the comments before you go.